Hey everyone, in today's video assignment, I'm going to ask you to solve a quadratic equation. At the end of the video, you'll have the chance to answer two math problems. Please make sure you answer these math problems in the Google Docs that I created for you, or you can answer the math problems in your notebook and then take a picture of your work and upload into the Google Docs. Pretty easy. Let's get into this video then. In this math problem here, today we're given 3x squared minus 16x minus 7 equals to 5. And I want to solve this equation by following the steps that I showed you in class. The very first thing is we need to move everything to one side so that one side of the equation is equal to 0. So I'm going to start off by writing 3x squared minus 16x minus 7. And then I notice that there is a 5 on the right side, so I have to move it over to the other side, and I'll end up with minus 5 equals to 0. And then I'm going to simplify my equation. So 3x squared minus 16x minus 12 equals to 0. So I added the 7 and the 5 to get negative 12. Now I need a product and a sum. The product is negative 36 and the sum is negative 16. What are the two numbers that I need to multiply to get negative 36? And if I add them, I'm going to get negative 16. Well, those two numbers are negative 18 and positive 2. So I'll use those two numbers to rewrite my equation as 3x squared minus 18x plus 2x minus 12 equals to 0. So we're going to go ahead and factor the equation. So we factor the equation by pairing the terms. So we're going to pair 3x squared minus 18x and we're going to pair 2x minus 12. So once you pair the first two, we can factor out 3x. And inside the parentheses, we have x minus 6. And in the second pair, we can factor out the number 2. And inside the parentheses, we have x minus 6 equals to 0. The two parentheses have to be the same. And so that means our factors are 3x minus 6 and x plus 2 equals to 0. So we set one of the parentheses equal to 0. 3x minus 6 equals to 0. When you solve the x plus 2 parentheses, x equals to negative 2. And if you solve the other parentheses, 3x minus 6 equals to 0, we have to move the negative 6 over to the other side, and we have a positive 6. Divide both sides by 3 and x equals to 2. So here are the two questions that you need to solve in your notebook or in the Google Docs and submit for grading. Good luck.